Hello everyone, welcome back. So you may have seen a video on this dollar store cookie tray twig stove. So that's all it cost, was $1. The tray and one hanger, and it folds up. And I was looking for the diagrams that I had made, because the link to the guy that made it, that I put in the original video, for some reason I think his measurements were a little bit off, because I changed them back then and I couldn't find them. So I said, well, let me make another one so I could, get the dimensions and the drawings right. So I did that. So I have this. This could actually be used as a template. You just can cut it out, but I put the measurements in anyway just for the sake of it. So I have this on a PDF. If anybody wants a copy of this, all you gotta do is go to my About, send me an email that you want it, and I will send this to you if you are interested in making one of these. But if you decide you didn't want to make one yourself, I have another one right here. And I use wax paper just to keep the wax canvas pouch that I made clean. And here it is. And I fire tested it to make sure it drafts well. You pull this little pin out here, and as you can see, it folds right up. Either way. Now to put it together, you get this bottom piece, put it in the slots. Let's see, it goes this way. Get your pin, feed that down there. Then you have your cross pieces. And there you have it. When I was testing this out, I actually put, I believe it was 18 pounds of lead on top of these, and it could take way more. It's just an awesome little stove. So, if you would like this stove with this canvas pouch, all you got to do is leave me a comment that you want it. Be one of my subscribers. Click the like button, and I'll pick somebody down the road. I'll give it about a week or so, maybe a little bit longer. You don't have to do a VR. You don't have to do a shout out like I say with my my giveaways. But if you do those things, it's appreciated. And you can have yourself a nice little stove. Or you could just get the template and make one yourself. Either or. So if you're in it to win it, good luck. And like always, everyone, thank you for your views, and thank you for all the comments. I really, really appreciate it. I hope you're having a great day, and we'll see you on the next one.